Hello guys, welcome back with new video. In this video we are going to discuss about 16 June 2022 Ielts exam writing task 2. These are the statements you need to prepare for your exam. So let's start with first statement. In some countries, fast food restaurants and supermarkets give money to schools to promote their products. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? Some people think it is better for children to begin to learn foreign language at a primary school than at a secondary school. What's your opinion? Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Some people think that the main benefit of international cooperation is in the protection of environment, while others think that the main benefit is in the world business. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people believe that the teenager should concentrate on all school subjects, but others believe that teenagers should focus on the subject that they are best at or they find the most interesting. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people think that the history has nothing or little to tell us, but others think that studying the past history can help us better understand the present. Discuss both you and give your opinion. Animals are in danger of extinction. Some people say that we should protect those animals which are useful to humans. Do you agree or disagree? There are more new towns being built nowadays. It is more important to include public parks and sports facilities than shopping centers for individuals to spend their free time. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It is necessary to travel to other places to learn about other cultures of other people. We can learn just as much from books, films, and the internet. Do you agree or disagree? Living on Earth would become difficult in the future, so more money should be spent on researching other planets to live like Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Some people believe that the whole family, like grandparents, uncles, and aunts, bringing up their children the better than only parents. What is your opinion? The young should get advice from old people than young people. Do you agree or disagree? It's too expensive to look after and repair old buildings. This money should be spent on building modern buildings instead. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Some people think that it is more beneficial to take part in sports which are played in teams like football, while other people think that taking part in individual sports is better like tennis, swimming. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people say that history has nothing or little to offer, while others say that the study of past helps the present. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Some people think the best way to stay fit is to join the gym, health club, while others think that doing everyday activities such as walking and climbing stairs is sufficient. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people think that the formal education should start for children as early as possible, while others think that it should be not start until 7 years of age. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people argue that it is the best to accept a bad situation, such as an unsatisfactory job or shortage of money. Others believe that it is better to try and improve such situations. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people think that the parents should be teach children how to be good members of the society. Others, however, believe that the school is the best place to learn this. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people believe anyone can make art, paint, music, poetry, while others believe that people in specific ability can. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Nowadays, some people tend to take temporary jobs or they have time to do other things. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Students at school and universities can learn better via technologies rather than teachers. Do you agree or disagree? In some countries, young are encouraged to work or travel for a year between finishing high school and starting university studies. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages for young people who decide to do this. Some experts believe that it is better for children to begin learning a foreign language in a primary schools rather than secondary school. Do the advantages of outweigh the disadvantages?